What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you the easiest way to integrate Apple Calendar with Notion. So here's how we can easily integrate Apple Calendar with Notion. So we're going to access Notion in our web page. So from here, just make sure that you're logged into your Notion account, and in the left corner, just look for Calendar and click on it. And still in the left corner, you should be able to see Add Calendar Account. Just click on it. Then next, the settings window will pop up, and under the integrations section, just look for either conferencing or Notion. And from here, all you have to do is sign in and connect to your Apple account and add your Apple Calendar. So that's how you can easily add your Apple Calendar on Notion. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!